India, a country on the move. More than 1 billion people live here. The economy is growing by more than 20% a year and has been doing so for the last 7 years. The subcontinent is booming. Reason enough for the Specialty Chemicals Group to organize the first LANXESS Rubber Day, New Delhi in India. More than 200 guests from industry, academia, and politics took up the invitation, including the German ambassador to India, Thomas Matusek, and the advisor to the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Jasper Singh. The topic of the Congress was driving growth and delivering safety.
Today, we will explore the future of rubber and of the rubber industry. And I believe that future looks as bright as a promising future of India.
Private consumption is rising constantly, owing to a rapidly growing middle class with a large number of well-trained technicians and engineers. The population in Indian towns and cities is growing at a rapid rate. High-tech rubber is needed for the construction of apartments, offices, and shopping centers. Car sales have risen by 30% in this year alone. Many Indian tire producers have already chosen to work with synthetic rubber from the world market leader.
LANXESS materials, they meet the quality requirements we have. Not only that, whatever technological changes they bring about, they are always upfront and sharing with us whatever new technologies are coming up and offering those material to us so that we could have one step ahead of our competitors. And that helps us always.
The Rubber Days are a platform for LANXESS to demonstrate its pioneering role in the production of high-performance rubber. Apart from that, the Specialty Chemicals Group has an opportunity to present its ideas for solving problems in India. For example, India has the highest number of traffic fatalities in the world, with more than 100,000 people killed on the roads every year.
One of the obvious solutions is a safer tire that grips the road better and allows cars to stop faster. High-performance synthetic rubber, rubber chemicals, and technical rubber products from LANXESS make safer and more efficient radial tires possible.
On stage, experts discussed how traffic safety can be improved. A study by Horst Wildemann, professor at the Technical University of Munich, confirmed that around 24,000 accidents could have been prevented with better tires. Increasing mobility also means a demand for environmentally friendly tires. These help to save fuel and thus reduce CO2 emissions. LANXESS products create the basis for this. In addition, there is mounting demand from the vehicle industry for high-tech rubber grades, such as Thurbid.
We are in a business where we are making high-pressure hydraulic applications, which require high quality of the product. And again, it is something which is a safety requirement as well. If there is a breakage, it can be fatal. So we go for the best possible raw material for our products. And that's the reason that we are associated with the LANXESS.
The role played by innovative technologies in providing a sustainable future was another of the main topics during the panel discussions. To accompany this development in India, LANXESS has been working with the Independent Tire Research Institute, HAZETRI, since 2010.
The LANXESS can take an important role for educating these chemists about their materials, about their technology, to use for the safer material, how to produce a safer product.
Interesting presentations, an exchange of ideas across industries, and many new contacts. These were the hallmarks of the Rubber Day, New Delhi. We had outstanding speakers and fascinating discussions on the panels. Innovation and technology for the Indian markets were ever-reoccurring topics. We will continue with this successful format, not only here in India, but also in other parts of the world.